As a Jew, today is Yom Kippur. It is the most sacred day of the year for us. It's when the book of judgment is opened, and it is giving me life to see the streets filled with people. Because what we need is people not looking at their books, but looking at the humanity of the world.
I'm here because when international law doesn't mean nothing anymore, apparently international waters are not recognized anymore, the only thing people can do is just stand up, staying all together.
We came here to express our solidarity with the participants of the Flotilla who were abducted by the Zionist entity in a criminal and terrorist act. They were on their way to break the siege on Gaza, only to be kidnapped in international waters. We are here to show our solidarity with them and to demand their release.
We're doing a 5-day fast, and it's called Hungry for Peace in Gaza. And we're here, it's an act of solidarity really. And I suppose we're sitting out here for 5 days because basically I think none of us can sit at home anymore. It's like putting our bodies on the line in a sense. I mean, it's a small thing to elect to fast. It's not imposed on us.